How are track and trace solutions and vision systems integrated? Track and trace solutions and vision systems can be integrated in several ways depending on the specific application and requirements. Here are some possible ways that they can be integrated. Barcode or QR code scanning. Vision systems can be used to scan barcodes or QR codes on products or packages to identify and track them. This information can be fed into a track and trace system to monitor the movement of products through the supply chain. Image recognition. Vision systems can be trained to recognize specific products or packaging types based on their visual features. This can be used to track products and monitor their quality throughout the supply chain. Machine vision inspection. Vision systems can be used to inspect products for defects or to ensure that they meet certain quality standards. This information can be used to track the quality of products and identify potential issues in the supply chain. Integration with RFID. Vision systems can be used to read RFID tags on products or packaging to track their movement through the supply chain. This information can be fed into a track and trace system to monitor the location of products and ensure that they are moving through the supply chain as expected. Overall, the integration of track and trace solutions and vision systems can help to improve supply chain efficiency, enhance product quality, and ensure that products are delivered to the right place at the right time. Thanks for watching. Contact us, sales@smidnya.com.